Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Tikki from Miraculous Ladybug. So let's get started. To draw Tikki, we're going to first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big curve. And it's going to come down. So about right there, when it's about even, bring it down more. So there's a slight slant. And then we're going to bring it up. So about right here, we're going to kind of round it off a little bit and connect it with a curve. So the eyes have a slight slant to it. And then let's come in here in this area. We're going to draw a circle. So just continue about right here towards the bottom and come back up. And let's do the same thing over here. So we're going to come over, give it a little bit space, so say about right here. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go up. So this side's a little bit trickier. And we're going to drag some points across. So I kind of have approximate where to go. So about that high. And we're going to start to bring it down. And so I'm going to drag this point across right here, so I know approximately where to end. So about right here. And now it's a little bit easier. Now we can go ahead and just connect this all the way, just like the other side. There, all done. Okay, so same thing again. We're going to draw a circle inside. So I'm going to start on this side for this eye. Right here, and we're just going to go ahead and draw a circle. And then now let's go ahead and make them Drastic Cute eyes, of course. So I'm going to come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. So if you love Miraculous Ladybug, please make sure to check out the two drawings I've drawn so far. I've drawn Ladybug and I've drawn Cat Noir, so please make sure to check them out. And thank you for requesting that I draw Tikki here. Sorry it took so long. So please make sure, if you love this drawing, please make sure to let me know in the comments below what other Kwami you want me to draw. So there, the eyes in. I think this one's a little bit smaller, so I just come in here and make it bigger. Okay, so then I'm going to come here and give it some lashes right here on the side. I'm going to pop out 1, 2, and 3. And thicken them up. So same thing here. So this one's going to be a little bit longer, and then a shorter one, and then another shorter one. There. Okay, now in between the eyes, we're going to come down a little bit and I'm just going to draw a smile. So say about right here. I'm just going to slightly slant it up and cap it off. There. Okay, so now to draw the head, we're going to come to where we started the eye right here on this corner. Come out a little bit, just give yourself a point. So do the same thing over here. Come out and give yourself a point. From there, we're going to draw the cheeks. So just pop it out with a little curve. And we're going to connect it all the way back really close to the mouth. So it's going to be a flatter curve. I'm just going to bring this down. So same thing over here. And go ahead and connect it right under the mouth. There. Okay, so then from there we're going to draw the really big head top right here. So let's go up, really high up. So same thing over here. And so it's going to be kind of like a dome. We're just going to bring this all the way up. So I'll say about right here and start to come down. There. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to draw this big dot right here in the center. So I'm going to start at the top right here. A big curve, so it's kind of like drawing an oval. Bring it around. And connect. There. And I'm going to come in here and darken the top of my eye. Okay, and so then at the top right here, I'm just going to give it a slight curve above each eye. And then that is pretty much it. I'm going to color that in black. I think I should do it now so you can see it a little bit better. Okay, there. Okay, so then now to draw the little body. So I'm going to come right here underneath and give it a very little neck right in the center. And I'm going to bring this out. This is going to come out. And then from there, I'm going to imagine really the armpit area. So these 2 points right here, right underneath. And then let's bring this down for the body. So it's just a slight curve that comes out. And from there, let's bring this in. So we're going to start to draw the body. And from there, I'm going to come in this area, right in the center, and just draw a slight line. And then from here, I'm going to bring out 2 lines. So now we're going to start to draw the legs. So bring this part in. And let's get thinner. So we're going to bring this down a little bit more on this side as well. So then from there, we're going to flare it out for the feet. So come out, and this part's going to come out this way. And we're just going to go ahead and connect it for the feet. So exactly the same thing on the other side, but flipped. So we can follow out, bring this in, curve it out, and connect. And then you can draw some details right here and curve. Okay, so now the hands. So let's come out. Maybe about right there, and then I'm going to round it off and bring it in. And so this side is just going to be to the side of her body. So then that way we can put in the tail a little bit easier. And so then let's draw the 3 curves. So start right here. So 1, 2, and 3. There. Okay, and then last but not least, the antenna. So I'm going to come about right here and just pop out a curve, flicker it out. So it's up to you how you want to put her antenna. But right here's the other one. So I'm just going to make it simple and just have both of them come down. But you can have them go up and any way you want it. But that is pretty much it for my drawing of Tikki from Miraculous Ladybug. I hope this made it easy for you to follow along and inspires you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching. If you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.